Yeah, you're probably one of my new best friends.
Probably. I can still taste it. That hurted. Did you put that in there?
And it's stuck. Get out! Get out! Can't get it. Oh, there it is.
I was really good at it.
No.
Yes, I was. Hey guys! Oh! Oh. I can taste that ambrosia. Get ready for it. Oh my goodness! There was Play-Doh stuck in my throat.
Thanks for watching our show. Same.
Are you okay? Oh my god, you look like a velociraptor.
Oh, it's spicy!
See, that's your sins trying to escape your body.
Oh, so hungry now. Making room. Looks really good. So.
No. No.
Yes,